everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to this video. This is another episode of my craft series that I have on here, where I talk about a number of things ranging from art, crochet art, DIYs, etc. So let's get into the video. I just wanted to do a short commentary on what I'm really doing in the video. I am painting. I decided to paint a lioness in this video, and basically this is really a fun thing that I was doing. I was trying to capture my inner lioness. So a lioness is, of course, a female lion, and basically in this painting I am painting myself as a lioness and roaring at the things that kind of like hurt my feelings, or words or hateful words that people have said basically to me. So I'm kind of like channeling that inner lioness, and that lioness is like destroying those hateful words. And you'll see a little bit at the end where I paint the words and actually write them, and you can see in the painting where the lioness is actually destroying those words and actually, standing up for herself. So it was a really great message behind this painting, and I hope you really like this video. If you do, please comment or like, and you also know to please subscribe. That's all I have to say. Yeah, so I'm gonna let you all get back into the video.